All right, so we are going to install. This is that Quizlabs. It's a component to the Mac Mini, and we're going to take that off. Nice little cover. The nice thing about this, and we're going to install this memory card here. Actually, memory stick. These are nice because they have extra ports, etc., etc. So, this is a Western Digital black 1 terabyte stick. Oops, and here I have it away from you so you can't see it, but let's take a look here. Maybe it should go like this. Nope, doesn't go like that. There we go. I think we got it there. All right, so that is in. And now we will put this, oh, here we go. Put that back there like that. And we're done.